Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Seville Classics sturdy freestanding storage shelf, a versatile and stylish solution for organizing your space. This 3-tier shoe rack, finished in an elegant silver mist, measures 26.5 inches wide, 12.25 inches deep, and 18.5 inches high, offering a stackable design that lets you maximize vertical storage by stacking up to 3 units high. With its multi-purpose shelving, the unit accommodates various sizes of shoes, clothing, and handbags, featuring 5.5 inches of space between tiers and an additional 3.25 inches beneath the bottom shelf for low-profile footwear. The sturdy foldable steel frame is quick to set up and supports up to 30 pounds per shelf, thanks to its 5 1-inch wide resin slats. Its unique interlock feature allows for extra horizontal storage by connecting multiple units, creating a personalized modular shelving system. This patented design, protected by several US and international patents, is perfect for any indoor room, including bedrooms, living rooms, entryways, home offices, pantries, and garages. Transform your space with the Seville Classics storage shelf, where functionality meets style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.